This is him right here.
On the night of May 4th, 2026, Jacksonville Sheriff's Office officers responded to reports of multiple armed burglaries on Rigel Road in Jacksonville, Florida.
Jets phone 911. What's the location of your emergency?
Somebody just broke my house, bring a gun, and then they left. Please.
Okay. Can you tell me who it was? Do you know who it was?
I don't know him. I never seen him before. He just broke in.
Jackson 911. What's the location of your emergency?
Well, somebody just kicked in my door.
Okay. What's the address you're at? Is that a house, apartment, or trailer?
It's a house.
Okay. Do you have any idea who might have just kicked in it?
No, it was somebody, he just walked off and then he was walking down the street.
Okay. Could you tell if he was white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
I'm sorry, say again?
Could you tell if he was like white, black, Hispanic, Asian, or what color clothing he was
black.
wearing? Okay. Which way did he go?
He just was walking in the neighborhood.
Okay. Jacksonville 911, what is the location of your emergency?
I had just recently called about someone kicking in my door. Apparently, I'm being told that he has a gun.
Man, y'all playing with me, man.
Yo. Oh, hell no.
This is him right here. This is him right here.
Put them good.
Shots fired, shots fired. Hey, hold here, hold here. Hey, hey, hold on. Oh, hey, stop right there. Gooden, stop right there. Slow down. Alrighty. Now, right now, Gooden, you stay right there. Shift up just a little bit for an L shape. Alrighty. Comiagua, myself. Who's this? AJ? Vasquez. We're gonna push up. Hey, somebody grab a med kit. I got it. Hey, we're gonna push up. Gooden, just make sure stay in that L shape. Stay in the L shape. Hey, push up, push up, push up. Where's the gun? Where's the gun at?
Right there. Right there.
All right. Hey, AJ, you go. I mean, you, Ski, go hands on. Go hands on. I'm waiting for the gun. Hey. I'm waiting for the gun. Come on. This way. Good. All right, cuff him.
Give me a fucking head. He was by the house.
Okay, breathe, don't go.
Box 161 in custody.
Hey, where's the med kit? There's who? Issue.
Give me a fucking hand.
Start rescue 1068. Shots fired. Suspect now.
Did he come out of his house?
They were in there, but
Okay, breathe, don't go.
Brandon Kafers, 33, was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Before officers arrived, Kafers had told one resident, "This is it. This is my last day." At the time of the incident, Kafers was on 10 years of felony probation out of Texas for aggravated assault with a weapon and 3 counts of false imprisonment of a minor. His record also included arrests for possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, domestic battery, and violation of probation. Had he survived, he would have faced 4 counts of armed burglary with a firearm, multiple counts of aggravated assault on law enforcement officers, and possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, charges that would have also triggered a likely probation violation in Texas. The State Attorney's Office for the 4th Judicial Circuit is conducting an independent review to determine whether the officers acted within the law. JSO's internal administrative review for policy compliance is also underway.